Welcome to Learn English Rapidly. Daily Use English Sentences Part 1. Water is spilling. Peel off the pencil. Water is dripping. Make me understand. Make me laugh. Make me cry. Get off the car. These spices are ground. This pencil is bent. This book is torn. This window is broken. The milk has turned sour. Pour coffee into the cup. Water is falling from the glass. Bask in the sunlight. Bake the chapatis. We have come too early. I have been at home for 1 hour. It doesn't make any difference. Does it make any difference? What difference does it make? Where were you? I have to do it. I have to get it done. Put on the shoes. I will take 10 minutes. I will take only 10 minutes. Whose pen is this? Why are you crying? Don't take it to heart. You are younger to me. You are older than me. There was a king. There was a king there. He is lying upside down. Turn this glass upside down. Your slippers are lying upside down. You are wearing a black shirt. You have put on the shirt inside out. You are holding the cup upside down. I am bathing. I am giving a bath to my son. I am giving a bath to my dog. Keep the fire on. I took 5 days. It took me 5 days to do it. Banagal is in the east of India. Delhi is in the north of India. Kerala is in the south of India. Gujarat is in the west of India. Switch off the AC. Turn on the AC. I am feeling cold. I am feeling hot. It is getting dark. Let me take a bath. Go to sleep. You ruined the whole game. It cost me rupees 10. Put on the shirt. You stay around. I may need you. Put out the lamp. Don't quarrel. I was having a headache. I was having a stomach ache. I have pain in my finger. Apply oil to hair. Write clearly. What is this floating in the bucket? I am having a good time. He always gets in my way. I was between two people. Thanks for watching.